If your instinct is to say that this is all about money or mineral wealth, you're not entirely wrong. Greenland does possess significant deposits of rare earth elements and other critical minerals, the kinds of resources that modern economies and even militaries depend on. Anyone pretending that that doesn't factor into this geopolitical mess is being unserious. But here's a reality check. About 80% of Greenland is covered in ice. Extracting those rare earth elements at scale would be extraordinarily difficult, enormously expensive, and in many cases just not feasible at all given current technology. This is by no means some sort of short-term mining bonanza. So if Greenland were only about mineral wealth, the level of political attention that it's getting these days simply wouldn't add up, which tells us that there is something more going on here. The real significance of Greenland lies in its geography and the rapidly evolving nature of international defense. The Arctic is warming faster than any other region on Earth. The ice caps are melting.